Welcome to Greasy Mods. What are we doing, sir?
Taking off these heads that somebody didn't torque right.
They ain't twerking right, boys.
Clean 317 ported heads.
Yes, sir.
Fucked up. This is why I'm trying to stuff in the mechanic. I'm just a bitch ass nigga, man.
Hey, you know that guy that ese pinche, the one from Rush Hour, se llama Chris Tucker, wey. Forgot.
Oh, yeah, that I know that. Oh, shit. I'm fat ass in here. What's in the right here? Is it 15 on there? No. Oh, no. It's true. All the way to your right.
Alright, so we're gonna take the heads off, get them resurfaced again, because most likely they'll work. Yes, sir. Check it, guys. It was overheating. Most likely why? Because the head studs over here were loose. So, but we're gonna make it right. We got two more mods on it. Fix the transmission lines on it too. Get things ready. Yes, sir. Yeah, stay tuned. See how it turns out. See the work what we gonna post. Pretty little nice project truck. Well, he came to the right hands to get it fixed, sir. But we got this other one too. Came back. Customer came back. Having problems with turning it on, but we'll find out what it is. Check it. Fuel pressure and anything. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're still building this one right here, little by little. Texas edition. Oh, damn. Yeah. Looks like they've been working on it. Yeah.
Got double spring.
Alright, guys, so back at it, part 2.
This is part 1000. We just make it look easy. Nah.
Ya le quitamos las cabezas, vos. Nah, but taking the heads off, we have to take this header off over here, cut it down, so we can be able to take the heads bolts off. Someone's out, gotta send them out to get poured. Oh,
Dick.
They already poured it, anyways. Yeah, I think he does have a tank.
Yeah,
Little baby can.
he got double springs, alright.
Yes, sir. So we'll get this fixed up, cleaned up. Tomorrow, gonna tell them recommend us put new lifters so we have the heads off. New lifters, new trays. We like to do everything right, guys. Get everything good, make it last. We don't want it to come back. So, and two, we're gonna offer him to change this compressor,
Oh, yeah.
put a different one. Yes, sir. See work, make it clean and simple. I know custom shit or whatever. Alright, guys, so we took the head gaskets off the 6.0 over there that we're working on, the OBS, and we put it on the 5.3 right here.
Look at this.
And look at that, it's all smooth.
All around the cylinder. Now
Yeah.
let's go check what you got on this truck. Follow me. We're doing some doctor routine shit. There. Look at this. It's rolling. That piston was slapping the whole head gasket. Each one, look. Sheesh. Well, there's your one mistake, buddy.
No bueno.
I just didn't want to say nothing. Right. As soon as the head gasket came off, I seen the rings coming off.
No bueno. But he's at the right spot. Get shit right.
Nah, I can smoke a joint.
Alright. We are sweating our balls off, but we're getting re-up on everything on heads. We'll be doing them a lot, so resurface them in the bottom. Oh, and then plus too, guys, we're gonna start, you know, we're gonna practice on porting them heads off too. So y'all stay tuned on that too. We're gonna do that in-house. In-house. Porting heads.
Next, we're gonna start putting heads.
Yes, sir.
Now we're having to do 760.
Alright guys, so putting the heads back on. You ever put the heads back on, sir? Put the actually the 6.0 gasket that it needs, not the 5.3s. Whoever built this, but resurface already. So we see, milled them already. In and out. But we still gotta do some little more mods that we gotta do on this motor. Gotta fix the transmission lines. They all have rubber hose and clamps. Final product. So we got done. MSD wires, spark plugs, intake gasket, everything. Now all we gotta do is oil already. Fresh oil. Gotta turn it on. Still gotta fix the transmission lines, but ya están, viejones. Ahorita vamos a prender. See how it sounds. Hoy en este día en la ingeniería de Tesla los mandó un satélite de Tesla para los LS Motors, que son para entrar en cooler para la línea de transmisión. Bienvenidos, nuevo intercoolers Tesla, Tesla X slash
We didn't do this bullshit.
cooler. Oh yeah, trash.
We did this.
Oh, this light bar.
Stainless steel 18-inch transmission cooler with 8 AN transmission fuel lines, fittings, jags. $89.99.
Better than not.
You can hear look like me.
Batteries are separately.
Not included.
Okay, guys, so we back at it again. We install training cooler lines, fittings, new fittings. This looks like a damn satellite that came from Tesla Engineering. We installed it. We did not did this right here, but we ran the new red lines, tranny, all the way to the back. What do you think, Mr. Richard Rollins? Se está ahogando.
I'm drowning over here.
Se nos cayó el agua. But damn, we got it wrapped up. About to turn it on. Oh, we can't even turn it on. Customer took the battery. Well, we'll leave it for tomorrow, guys. But y'all stay tuned on this build. We almost, you know, we want to fix this, but you know we can't fix it until we get approved by the customer. We need her approval, and then we can fix it. This is Crick's Fix here. Just kidding. But y'all stay tuned on the new videos that we got. We got more work coming up for sure. Over there we had an electrical problem. We fixed it, but we gotta warranty that motor, so I can't turn it in yet. Cause no bad motor leaves out this shop. until it's good and running good, because we guarantee our work. So when we're done working, we just lay down, take a damn nap. We got a mess. But until we got another motor over here, just for the Tahoe over here, guys. But y'all stay tuned, like and subscribe on this channel. We got things coming up. We gotta assemble it tomorrow, everything. Hold it up. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned.